Hi guys, and welcome back to Easy Nails. Today I'm going to show you guys how to use some PR that I got from Born Pretty. You can get this from the Born Pretty website, bornprettystore.com, or from their Amazon site. Their gel polishes are really affordable and really good quality. They have a lot of different nail products, super affordable, and I do like that a lot of their products are hema free. So if you guys have allergies or anything, these are a really great product, super affordable, and really highly pigmented. Their gel polishes are really velvety, and I'm showing you guys here how they apply, and this is just one coat. This is a beautiful brown orangey caramel color, perfect for fall. And yeah, I just applied the Born Pretty base coat, and then I went straight in with one coat of this, and then I'm using these really gorgeous fall maple leaves. I also got these from Amazon, and this is going to be a really easy fall gel polish nail design. Really easy and quick to do. Again, all of these products are from Born Pretty. I've always loved their gel polishes. They're super easy to use, and they are hema free. So I am continuing, you guys, with this other color. This is a jelly color, and I really did enjoy it. It's my first time using jelly polishes, and I actually really liked it. It is a jelly nude shade. So I'm going in with this color, and I'm applying it to the entirety of the nail, and I went a little bit more heavy-handed on this because the consistency was a little bit different. It was almost like a builder in a bottle type consistency, so I kind of like that because I could build up the coverage a little bit more, and it is a really nice neutral tone. So I applied this to both nails here, and then I am going to cure this in the lamp for 60 seconds. And what I did was, after I cure in the lamp, I go in that little sticky layer that you have after you cure the gel polish. You can put glitter in it, and so that is exactly what I did. I opened up this glitter, and I added some of this glitter into the first finger and ring finger. This glitter is from Eniel Couture. It's really old though, but you can always find this glitter on Amazon. It's just a really pretty coppery glitter, and I'm just adding that in. I basically just picked it up with my brush and went into that wet layer of gel, and then I go in and cure that in my lamp, you guys. And again, this is all from Born Pretty. I love their products, and yeah, I highly recommend them. They're super easy to use. And yeah, so now I'm going in with this gorgeous wine color. This is not from Born Pretty, but they do have a lot of colors available. They have a huge color selection, so I highly recommend you guys check them out. I did not get a discount code for them, but I do believe that they're having their 25th anniversary sale, so I do have a code that you can use on their website, not directly on Amazon, but that should give you 25% off. I will link it down below, you guys. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I would super appreciate it. I love you guys so much. Thank you for all the support always. Yeah, I just started this channel doing nails at home, hoping I can help somebody learn to do the same instead of having to go to the salon and waste all of that money. And also, you know, salons aren't always the cleanest. You don't really know what they're using on your hands, and a lot of times they tend to overfile the natural nail. So I prefer to do it at home, and I'm just teaching you guys hacks, tips, and tricks, what works for me at home. I've learned a lot through YouTube and through my nail sisters here, so thank you guys so much. And I just feel like my nails are in such better condition now that I'm learning how to do them at home than they were going to the salon. I can use really high quality products and ensure that the health of my natural nail is always good. And yeah, I get really cute nails at home. You can go so extra, and it's super affordable. So yeah, I highly recommend you guys. What I'm doing now is I'm curing the nails in the lamp here. And please excuse my other hand here. I took off one nail and kept the rest of them on my right hand here. Yeah, so please excuse that, guys. I'm so sorry. So what I'm doing in here is I have this PR package. Also, this was from Beetles, I believe. Yeah, Beetles. I still have to unbox this for you guys, but it is a huge gel liner kit. I did have a video where I used the products. I will link it in the cards for you guys. So I cannot draw at all. I have a syndrome where my hands are super shaky. So having this liner gel art gel in here with the liner brush already in it makes it easier for me to do that. So I highly recommend that if you guys are have issues with drawing, or if your hands are super shaky. It is much easier with these gel liner kits where the gel is already in the bottle and you don't need to use a separate brush. I still have to go and touch it up because my hands are really shaky. I can't really control it. So I have this brush here. This is a just a basic gel brush you can also get on Amazon, and I dip it in acetone, and then I wipe off a little bit on my brush, and then I go lengthwise, and I really crisp up those lines before I cure them in the lamp. Super important to cure in between, because otherwise the gel polish will like start wrinkling on you. So I do give it a nice 30 to 60 second cure in my UV LED lamp. And then I'm going to continue on with the design. I'm going to be using a really pretty metallic painting gel. Now, as I told you guys, I'm not good at drawing, but for some reason this metallic painting gel is like some miracle worker, because I was able to get a straight line with my liner brush. It was just a really weird, thin but thick consistency. I'll show you guys right here. I believe I leave it in there. It's called metallic painting gel, and I think it's awesome. It almost looks like you did chrome on your nail, but you didn't. So yeah, here it is. You guys see how beautiful that is? It literally looks like a pot of liquid silver or liquid gold. It's like a goldy silver color, leaning more silver. But look at how easily this draws on. And I'm telling you guys, I shake all the time. So if I can do it, then you can do it. I really love this gel. It is a very weird, I don't know how to explain it, the consistency of it, but it just paints on really easy, and it literally looks like you chromed your nail when you didn't. So yeah, I'm doing this, and then I'm gonna cure it in the lamp. Let me know where you guys are. Are you guys enjoying fall yet? Here I'm in Texas. It's still pretty hot, but much cooler than what it was. So I'm so thankful for that. And yeah, I love fall time. It's beautiful outside. Yeah, so get outside, you guys. Get some fresh air. Enjoy the nice fall weather with your cute nails. It's always great to have foliage and fall changing colors as nail backdrops. So highly recommend you guys do that. If you are taking pictures of your nails, take them outside. It's so beautiful. So I am curing this, you guys. This really easy fall design, and I'm curing this in my lamp again for 30 to 60 seconds, and then I'm just going to finish off this nail. I'm using the Gel Elixir No Wipe top coat. Born Pretty also has a great top coat. I didn't show it here, but I went in and did their matte top coat on the design finger. I thought it just brought out those lines more, and it was really nice. So yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Make sure you guys check out Born Pretty. I know a lot of you guys already use them. They're really famous for their solid nail tip gel, which is like a nail chip gel you can use for Gel X nails. I love their gel polish. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and comment down below. Let me know what you think, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Thank you so much. Bye.